These are the most common unlawful acts under this law, 9165. Narinig niyo na? 511, di ba? Sa mga non-criminology dito, sometimes hindi na sinasabi ano yung kaso. Pag sinabing 511, it's a drugs case. Okay? Anong kaso niya? 511. Okay. Ano yung 5? Sale. Ano yung 11? Possession. Usually, mga buy bust. Okay? Yung use is section 15. So, selling, trading, delivery is section 5. Penalty is life imprisonment to death and fine. Possession, pag 50 grams, life imprisonment. Pag more than 500 grams marijuana, life imprisonment yung possession. Okay? Hindi ka nagbebenta pero merong kang ganyan. Pag less than 5 grams, 12 to 20 years. Less than 300 grams for marijuana, 12 to 20